Hi friends, welcome to Git series. So today we'll discuss about the detached head in the Git. Why? Because whenever you are commit something, you can see the head, right? That head is nothing but where you are pointing your Git. What are the commits you have till now? Everything it will show you the detached head. If you want to come out from the detached head to another commit, then how you need to do, we'll see. So you know the branching strategy, we used some checkout command, right? By using the checkout you can go for another branch, you can do something and you can come for the master branch, right? So by using the same command we can go for the previous commit also. Okay, we'll see in this section. Let me open my Ubuntu. Okay, this is my repository. So in the previous video we created one login auth.java and security login.java. Okay, if I go for the git log, see, your head is pointing to your security. Okay, if I go for suppose git checkout master, okay, if you use the git log, see here, now your head master is pointing to your develop branch. So you can see the head. Suppose if you go for git checkout develop branch, if you use the git log here, see, your head is pointing to your develop branch. So I will go for the same previous branch security to clarify for you. Okay, now if I use the git log, now in this head command here, updated login auth, second line in login auth, first line. I hope these three commits happening on login auth.java. Now if you want to go for this commit id, if you go for this commit id, this login auth is not available, so your head will point out to this part. Okay, how you need to do, just let me copy this command. If you use the q, it will come out. So what I will do, you can use for what you will git checkout, just provide your commit id. It's very simple. See, now if you use the git log, where it will be point out, see, basically previously this head is point out to your commit. Now where you committed, now where is your our, now it is pointing to your master, your origin develop. Okay, merge develop. So uh, where is it, see, if you see here, this is your head. Why? Because secure, where is your login auth you are not able to see, right? If you do the uh, ls command, you can't see here login. If you see ls hyphen tl, see, this file is created very long back, you can't see login auth.java. So on top of the security, if you want to create a new branch again, okay, you are already in one branch, so on top of that commit you will create a new branch. See how I will do, git checkout hyphen b, you can give your branch name. I will say security underscore hotfix. Okay, now if you see the git log, now your head is pointing to security underscore hotfix. Okay, so q, now what I will do, you created hotfix, that branch is working. Now what I will do, git security checkout underscore security. Okay, see, you are in the security branch till your updated login auth. What I done, see, security underscore hotfix, I created for this commit as another branch. So I want to merge this up to these changes to my master. I don't want these changes in the master. In that way, what you can do, just copy this particular branch name. Okay, let me go and check out for the master. Okay, what you will do, just security underscore hotfix. Okay, let me clear my screen. If you use for the git branch, see how many you have a security. This is security as login auth.java, this security hotfix we reverted few head is pointing to different commit. Now this security hotfix I want to add in the master. You need to use git merge security underscore hotfix. If you add here, now you will commit your this fix changes to the git merge. If you do the ls command, see security login.java, if you use the git log, it is saying that where you in the master. See, now our master is pointing out to security underscore hotfix. So this is the way you can use for your detached head. Okay, these type of scenarios sometime while doing a lot of commits may happen these type of things for you. Then in that case it will be very useful, this about the detached head, then how you need to check out, how to create the branch, how you need to commit to the master, you can see. And there is one more interesting command, git log, till now we are using, but on top of the log you can apply lot of filters. We'll see in these things in the next tutorial. Thank you guys.